Everything around us, from the air we breathe to the food we eat, is made up of matter. But what is matter made of? That's where chemistry comes in. Chemistry is like a giant puzzle, and the pieces of this puzzle are called atoms. Atoms are incredibly tiny particles, so small that you can't even see them with a regular microscope. Atoms are the basic building blocks of everything in the universe. They're like the letters of the alphabet, and just like letters can be combined in different ways to make words, atoms can combine to make everything we see and touch. So, if you want to understand how the world works at its most fundamental level, you need to understand atoms. Get ready for an exciting journey into the amazing world of chemistry. Atoms are incredibly small, but don't let their size fool you. These tiny particles are packed with amazing properties. Each atom consists of a central nucleus, which is like the atom's control center. The nucleus is made up of even tinier particles called protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive electrical charge, while neutrons have no charge. Orbiting the nucleus are even tinier particles called electrons, which carry a negative electrical charge. The number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in an atom determines its properties, such as its atomic number, atomic mass, and how it interacts with other atoms. Understanding the structure of atoms is crucial for comprehending how chemical reactions occur and how new substances are formed. Atoms are social creatures, and they love to combine with each other. When two or more atoms bond together, they form a molecule. Molecules are the building blocks of most of the substances we encounter daily, from water to sugar to DNA. They can be made up of the same type of atom, like an oxygen molecule, or different types of atoms, like a water molecule. The way atoms bond together to form molecules is determined by their electrons. Electrons are involved in chemical bonding, where they are shared or transferred between atoms to create stable molecules. The type and strength of chemical bonds within a molecule determine its properties, such as its melting point, boiling point, and reactivity. Understanding molecules is essential for comprehending the diversity of substances and their unique characteristics. While most atoms are happy to pair up and form stable molecules, some molecules have an adventurous side. These are called radicals. Radicals are molecules with an unpaired electron, making them highly reactive and eager to interact with other molecules. They can be formed through various processes, such as exposure to UV light or certain chemical reactions. Due to their unpaired electron, radicals are often involved in chain reactions where they react with other molecules, creating more radicals in the process. This can have both beneficial and harmful effects. For example, radicals play a role in the aging process, but are also essential for many biological processes, including cell signaling. Understanding radicals is crucial for comprehending the complexities of chemical reactions and their impact on living organisms. Section 5. Valency, the social butterfly of the atomic world. In the world of atoms, valency is like, well, a social status symbol. It represents the combining power of an atom, or how many other atoms it can bond with. The valency of an atom is determined by the number of electrons in its outermost shell, also known as the valence shell. Atoms strive to have a full valence shell, which typically means having 8 electrons. To achieve this, atoms can either gain, lose, or share electrons with other atoms. This is the basis of chemical bonding, where atoms interact to form molecules and achieve a stable electron configuration. Understanding valency is crucial for predicting how atoms will interact with each other and what types of molecules they will form. Section 6. Molecular formula, a chemical blueprint. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. That's what it would be like trying to understand a molecule without its molecular formula. The molecular formula is like a chemical blueprint that tells us the exact number and type of atoms present in a molecule. For example, the molecular formula for water is H2O, which means that each water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Molecular formulas provide crucial information for chemists, enabling them to identify substances, predict their properties, and study their reactions. By understanding molecular formulas, we can decipher the chemical language of molecules and gain insights into their structure and function. Section 7. Empirical Formula, a simplified chemical view. While the molecular formula provides a detailed blueprint of a molecule, sometimes a simpler representation is sufficient. That's where the empirical formula comes in. The empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. For example, the empirical formula for glucose, C6H12O6, is CH2O, which means that the ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms in glucose is 1 to 2 to 1. Empirical formulas are particularly useful for representing large molecules such as polymers, where the molecular formula can be quite complex. By simplifying the chemical representation, empirical formulas provide a concise way to express the relative proportions of atoms in a compound. Section 8. Connecting the dots interplay of chemical terms. As we've explored, atoms, molecules, radicals, valency, molecular formulas, and empirical formulas are interconnected concepts that form the foundation of chemistry. Atoms are the fundamental building blocks, while molecules are formed when atoms bond together. Radicals are molecules with an unpaired electron, making them highly reactive. Valency determines how many other atoms an atom can bond with, influencing the formation of molecules. Molecular formulas provide a detailed blueprint of a molecule's composition, while empirical formulas simplify this representation. Understanding the interplay between these terms is crucial for comprehending the diversity of substances and their chemical behavior. Section 9. The power of understanding chemical language. Chemistry is often called the central science because it connects to so many other fields, including biology, medicine, and material science. By understanding the basic chemical terms we've discussed, we unlock the ability to comprehend the world around us at a deeper level. We can appreciate the complexity of living organisms, the properties of materials, and the development of new technologies. Just like learning a new language opens up new cultures and perspectives, understanding chemical language allows us to explore the fascinating world of molecules and their endless possibilities. So, embrace the world of chemistry and discover the power of understanding the language of the universe.